How'd that look? Pretty stupid? Hey, I'm Buck Baxter. Guns4Fun, CA, is having a contest. 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers. He wants me to talk about my EDC gear. Okay? My EDC gear is this. It's my knife. That's my EDC gear, my favorite. Then he wants us to talk about our favorite firearm. Got it right here. This is my EDC, my favorite firearm. It's a Ruger P90. It's old, but it's very good and dependable, and it's okay. It's alright. It's alright. I'm going to safety check it here for you because I know all y'all are going to start commenting on all of that. It's empty. Guns are unloaded and I don't feel safe. Anyway, this is my favorite firearm. My favorite firearm. And you gotta name your favorite channel. My favorite channel is Soul Survivor X2. Man, that girl up on there is fine. She's fine. Oh. Y'all check that channel out. She's fine, man. She's fine. And then 3 other channels I want to mention. Hollow Point Survival. ND 70 and medium street medium. Well, I'll just put the links down there in the description below. And I really like your channel, Guns4Fun CA, Justin and Jana, and I hope I win this contest. Peace.